Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in tech reviews.
Today, we're diving into the LG C4, the latest addition to LG's C-series OLED TVs.
Let's see if this TV lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design.
The LG C4 maintains the sleek and minimalist design of its predecessor, the C3. While it may not boast any groundbreaking changes in aesthetics, it still stands out with its super-thin chassis and compact footprint. In terms of features, the C4 impresses with its gaming capabilities. With 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, gamers will appreciate the ability to connect multiple consoles or PCs without sacrificing performance.
Plus, the inclusion of NVIDIA G-Sync VRR certification and 144Hz compatibility ensures a smooth gaming experience. Now, let's talk about what matters most: picture quality.
The C4 promises a brighter display compared to its predecessor, the C3. During our hands-on session, we noticed a noticeable improvement in brightness, which translates to more vibrant and lifelike visuals. The OLED technology delivers deep blacks and rich colors, creating a truly immersive viewing experience.
Unfortunately, we didn't get to experience the sound quality during our demo session.
However, based on previous models, we can expect decent sound performance. It's worth noting that while the audio hardware remains unchanged, software enhancements may improve the overall audio experience. In conclusion, the LG C4 offers incremental upgrades over its predecessor, with improvements in brightness and gaming features. While it may not match the high-end performance of LG's G-series models, it still delivers impressive picture quality and a sleek design.
Stay tuned for our full review once we get our hands on a production sample. Thanks for watching Product Critique.